Alright guys, so I think we figured out what the issue is with this door. What we're gonna end up doing is getting a new air cylinder because it will go up and down perfectly fine, but it just won't hold air at the top. So we either have a leak here at this cylinder or at the switch. So we're taking both the switch with us right here and this air cylinder, running up to our local Peterbilt dealership, and we're just gonna get them. Luckily they have them in stock, but can you believe this little switch? This thing's, you know, $80 for this guy. But I guess that's the price you gotta pay when you're messing with these Peets. Nothing's cheap, but it's better to go through Peterbilt. It's a factory OEM part, and if we ever have an issue with it, which I hope we don't, so I hope I just didn't jinx myself, we can bring it right back to them and they'd warranty it out. But we got the whole truck torn apart here, trying to trace this all down. We were trying to eliminate this air cylinder, but you know, we think it's the best if we just replace it anyways. So we're gonna make our way out to Peterbilt, grab these new parts, and hopefully install them. Also, that's right, we new door handles and new tumblers and locks. We're gonna replace these guys while we have all the door panels off, because you can see this one is well, it's seen better days. I don't know if this is a new style or whatever you call it. Kind of gives you a little position to hold it and pull it, but we don't want that. So we're gonna pick these up too, and those new tumblers, and also there's this little clip that comes with the tumblers that we gotta replace. So we're gonna do it, even though I really don't want to. It needs done.
So the other day when we were cleaning the interior, we took out all these screws around the shifter because they're all rusty, like this one up here. Still got to take that one out. But we bought all these new stainless steel ones to replace them all with, because, you know, we're trying to clean up the interior with these new seats and all the chrome and blue that we're trying to do. So, you know, this will help clean it up a little bit more.
We got the new door panel on, all the nice finishing washers on these guys with the self-tappers. This is the one that had that air track issue. So that is back on. We got to clean up. You can still see some of the dirt and stuff, and probably throw a few more self-tappers around here just to clean all that up. But it's on. Just like the last door, this one is on as well with all the nice self-tappers and the finishing washers. This interior is kind of coming out pretty well. We got the chrome bezels. I got to put the bezels on the actual main gauges, but all of the extender pieces, we're still waiting for the extenders for bottom row, because all the top ones are on and those look pretty killer. Got the little fancy boot cover, blue, to cover the stick. And then we did put in these bolts down there. We're having issues with that one. And then there's another one on the other side that's giving us fits. But a little bit at a time.
Ready?
Yep.
That's an issue. Frame rail actually looks sweet. I have to move your truck.
Alright guys, so we took the bumper off, and this piece came off with it. So we're gonna have to...
Let's see if it's that way, right?
Yeah, it's that way, yeah. So we're gonna have to get it welded up or something on there.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, one bolt holding the bumper on, not gonna work. Geez, a big hole in it there.
What the heck happened to that thing? Holy crap.
So it looks like we're not gonna be able to get the bumper on today. But at least we'll go through here and clean up all the wiring
Yeah, this is
down in
a
here, 'cause
mess down here.
Yeah, it's really a mess.
We gotta scrape all this clean and.
Yeah, we'll get to it, but we also think right now I'm gonna start placing these emblems on it, getting them new ones on it over here. Those look good. We got those, I think, on our old man's truck. So we got the old one off. Well, it's actually in pretty good shape. It's not bad.
Just the backside is broke.
Yeah,
so.
one of the pegs are broke on the back, so I don't know if you can see that. And I wanted just original, but the old man said he wanted a nice billet aluminum one, so.
You throw it on there.
Yep, we'll get her on.
See how it looks. Another 6.0. Probably take them horns off the top too.
You like that one?
No?
Looks good.
Nice. This is our new trailer we just got. It's a 2007 Mack, 45 by 96. It's got the coil pack the whole way through. It's a beautiful trailer. It's got the side kit on it. It's not the rolling tarp system, but that, I mean, that could come in the future for us. But yeah, it's a great solid trailer. We got it for a good deal, and
I think the only thing, like you said, we're missing is the
rolling tarp system.
Yeah, the Conestoga unit. If we decide to keep it, we'll put one on it.
Keep it, or we might flip it and sell it.
Yeah, we got it for a killer deal.
I love the look of the back of the Mack trailers. I like probably like the newer ones when they have like all LED lights and they got like the mud flaps the whole way on the bottom. Like, those things look awesome. But
no, this one is a pretty beefy looking trailer. I mean,
this one looks awesome.
Let's get underneath it and show the cross members. It's got like 6-inch space between all the cross members. The whole trailer. Let's see if the light adjusts here. It might not. Oh, there you go. You can see these cross members. I mean, these things are all throughout the trailer, the whole way from the front to the back. The guy who bought it before, it was a one owner trailer, and he ordered it like this from the factory. So this thing's meant to haul some weight, that's for sure.
Yeah, but I mean, the side kit that's on it, it's even a nice side kit, but
yeah, I mean, it's real nice the whole way through. It's got the nice TMI boxes in here. It's got all the straps that come on the outside. You can run through underneath the sideboards. Yeah, but it's not that bad.
Oh, it's a nice trailer.
Old sure. KW sitting there.
He's dirty.
She is real dirty. Looks so much better without those extenders on the backside.
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
Yeah.
We gotta take off those on both the Pete's.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at those light things in the back. Those look familiar, huh?
Where?
The light panels on the back of the W9. Very familiar to the truck sitting in the background over there.
These are a little bit nicer, not gonna lie. We got these for a deal though. This whole unit back here.
Did we?
Both of these, yeah. I found both the mud flats and the centerpiece. I think we got them for like $350 bucks. I mean, all lights in, all already connected.
Oh, we got those on Facebook Marketplace, didn't we? Yeah.
So it's just like all we had to do was bolt the frame and pretty much connect it. Because it came off at Kenworth.
That's right, it did. I totally forgot about that.
Yeah, I like the back of these.
Oh, it's
Harley
not bad.
Davidson, but we got the off orange up there.
The what?
New orange we got should go nice with the Harley though.
Oh yeah.
That new orange we got picked out, but
I mean the fenders, they don't look bad, but when we put the double humps on here.
this wasn't the orange we were expecting, but
No.
the paint itself didn't come out good. It didn't set right.
No, it's got some issues down here. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up that well. Definitely some orange peel throughout it.
Yeah, Shakespeare.
And I'm not even gonna show you the other side because
You don't want to see the other side.
Yeah, no, we're not.
Quite bad.
we are
We just got these new steers on here.
Yeah, we just put the new steel tires on. Motor still runs strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had actually a funny story. Remember Grandpop's old man talking about Jerry, the driver who drives this one, that he shot by him at like 70 some miles an hour, and he said he was just stretching the legs of the new motor, making sure it works right.
Yeah. You can't even catch up to Jerry in this one.
Now, even though Grandpap's got that C15, these 3406Es, which essentially are the same style motor, but old Jerry was punching this one down and seeing what she'll do.
Yeah, Jerry likes to test it out.
Oh yeah, still looking good.
Yeah, it still looks awesome in there.
Got all the chrome accessories up in here. Yeah, she's still a nice truck. I can see it looks like Jerry's got a little gum problem. Loves his gum. But no, this is still a good looking truck. We just ordered all new LEDs for right here, so the whole truck, the whole stripping down there, all the way over there, and it's gonna be new LEDs.
Oh, yeah, that looks nice.
What about that cattle truck though?
Yeah, that cattle truck's nice.
What
You can stretch on that thing.
295 wheelbase.
Yeah, nice double hump fenders in the back.
Yeah, with the T-bars on either end.
Yeah. It's a working truck, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's for sure, man.
I'll be working on these cab lights. We got the new ones down there in the box, the LED ones, same style and everything. Just LED and clean it up. Hopefully I don't break any of these screws like we did on the W9 and have to use a wrench to get them out. But
What about Papa's truck? Did we break that on there or no?
no, not on Papa's truck. Just on that truck over there. W9's over there today. But Ryan and Scott are working on the door handles for the bunk on each side, so thought it'd be productive and do my own thing today.
So Ryan and I dropped down the headliner, not the headliner, but this like front
Center console.
center
or no,
console piece or
overhead console.
overhead console, whatever you want to call it. Either way, we dropped it down and dropped all the wires out. And for some reason there was like 10 antenna wires up there, so we cleaned all that up.
Look at that. I mean, for the radio. Look at all those wires for the radio.
Yeah.
How many wiring harnesses
Good lord.
and auxiliary boxes and additional plugins do you need? Sorry, you guys are hearing Dave. Dave and my dad are up top. The old man. Not old man senior like Grandpappy,
not
just the old
oldest
man. They're up there putting in the new cab lights, adding cab lights.
Yeah, but we got that all cleaned up there, so we know nothing will catch fire, hopefully.
Why don't you go grab those toggles and let's put the additional toggles on that we
we have
got.
them?
Yeah, we got them sitting in the back of the pickup truck there. Alright guys, so we just got all these put on. Both rows are now fully done. We also have the little toggles up here with all the axle diff, fifth wheel, and dump valve. We also have this little one right here. Still trying to figure out what the heck that goes to. But the cruise control's all in. Got to get the new light piece up here for that to cover it. And then the bezels, it's just really cold right now. I mean, you can blow on these things and they turn that foggy color, so bezels probably won't go on that well. We'll have to come out when it's a little nicer outside, or when we turn this thing on and get the heat rolling through here. But this panel is at least done. Cool. So we are aware, you don't have to remind us, the paint on these trucks are all crusty and rusty. That is coming. We're working on a few different situations of either taking these trucks in or getting some space so we can paint them ourselves. Preferably, we'd like to paint them ourselves. We kind of done everything with these trucks with our hands on, and the paint should be no different. But yes, we are aware the paint sucks, and the paint will be fixed. We start with the mechanical restoration, Then we work on the interior because the interior is where the driver's got to spend most of his time, so we want to make sure that's laid out and decked out for him. Paint will be addressed, don't stress, it will get done. But like always, guys, we love when you guys read through our YouTube, you know, read through the comments, subscribe. We love all that activity and we follow that very closely. And if you guys liked the video, go ahead, subscribe and like it. If you did it, tell us why and what we should do differently. So that's gonna be a wrap, and we'll see you guys all in the next one.